Hello and welcome back to POSadvisors guide series for Encore POS. My name is Billy, and today we'll be looking at the time clock report. This new report gives you the ability to sort and export your employees' hours as needed for payroll, and also accommodates employees who clock in one day and clock out after midnight. In order to save time on this report, we've added the ability to set default payroll settings for every time you open the report. To do this, log on to the Encore POS dashboard and click on the Welcome button on the top right. Click on Settings, click the down arrow next to the time clock report, and adjust the settings as needed. Now for us to get onto the report. Starting from the Encore POS dashboard, click the Reports tab, scroll over the Employees tile, and select the time clock report. The first thing to specify is the scope of the report in this box. Choose to see either all employees or select specific employees. Checking all and clicking this box will show all employees which have been active. Checking select and clicking the employees button will open this menu, where you can click on people you'd like to see in the report. I've blurred names and phone numbers throughout this video for privacy reasons, as we're using live data. Click the X at the top of the screen to save these selections and return to the previous screen. In the Report Format window, choose Detailed to see a table with clock in and clock out times by day for each employee. Choose Summary to see total hours across the specified time range. Speaking of, set the time range for the report to go through for information using the Calendar tool. I'll be looking at a summary first. When you're ready to run the report, click Submit. With Summary selected in the Format window, we have three columns: ID number, name, and total hours of each employee. As with many other reports in Encore POS, we can use the Search tool, Sorting, or the Page buttons to navigate through information. And to export the report, click here to copy the table to your clipboard, here for an Excel file, here for a PDF, or here to send the report directly to a printer. When you're done here, click the X up at the top to return to the previous screen. Selecting Detailed in the Format window will bring you to this table, broken down by ID number, name, in and out times, and hours. Each day is broken down by when the employee clocked in, clocked out, and how many hours they spent on shift. As with the summary view, click the X at the top when you're done here. Click Cancel to return to the Reports tab. That's it for this video today. Be sure to subscribe to keep up with the latest and greatest from POSadvisors. We'll have our website link and our support number in the description under this video, so don't hesitate to call us if you need us. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.